long arms right now. You see I have long arms. Okay. So I'll start showing my jukes how to learn. Yeah. Okay. I learned how to wall run and juke like that. Let's go. No, double wall. I'll do Evelyn. Let me try to do it. Yeah, I did. No, I could not do it. But I could climb on that. Let me try to do it with the long jump. No, I cannot do that. I need to swing like a robot, guys. Okay, guys, let me. Wall climbing is easier over here. And this little tag. Okay, now let's go. Oh gosh, no Wi-Fi. See, I have no Wi-Fi, so I will climb up here. There's kind of rotate. I downloaded the OG rules. So look, this is the OG bundle. Actually, this was the almost. Yeah. Oh, they put it on a banners here. Long arms. Okay, let's move on to the cosmetics. Yo, let me look at. What? Oh, whoa, the old roll tag is so different. Ah. Whoa! Is not the game that me. If you want to Kenny and try to in this video, I think we're going to look for better jukes for my long arms. But which map to juke people? Which map I should select juke people? There's a lot of maps. This is harder because I have long arms. Actually, it's easier. Let's move on to Kenny. City is really not a map to juke. It's a map to like not play the game. Let's go to canyons. I'll not go to caves because I never go to caves. It's boring. Okay, let's see how juke is.
Never
cooking. I'm cooking. I'm cooking. Oh no, I'm not still over there. Actually, I've been trying to cook. No, this is not the map that I need. The real map for me is a forest. Because look at these Jews. You go out. Guys, look at these Jews, what I can do. It's hard because the branches are small.
Ela já tá louca, embraçada. Ela aqui que ela desce, travando na van. Vai tomar em alto em alto vai ela já tá louca, embraçada.
Go guys, I'm doing it. Look at these perfect Jews. This is the map where I'm always supposed to choose. Like the forest is the first map. The forest is the best for me to choose.
Vai tomar em alto.
Dia xereca me cortou da melhor forma. Dia xereca me acordou da melhor forma.
Dia xereca me acordou da melhor forma. Olhando pra mim, na minha piroca. Olhando pra mim, na minha piroca. Olhando pra mim, com a boca na minha piroca. Bom dia xereca me acordou da melhor forma. Bom dia xereca me acordou da melhor forma. Olhando pra mim, na minha piroca. Olhando pra mim.
I'm going to go fast. 3, 2, 1, like but before I enter the tree, if you already subbed, then that's okay. Then comment on the video as fast as you can. Then, okay, comment as fast as you can on your sub. If you're not, like and sub as fast as you can. I'll go as fast as I can on the tree. I'm 3, 2, 1. No, it will be easier to you. Like and sub. Come on, like and sub. Actually, play the one down there. That's because you like and sub. If you didn't like and sub, before I got into the treehouse, so now let's move on to some quiet time. So you can rest. Listen to the phone if you want to listen to something. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Nah, bro, beach is closed. New funks are going on and the time's going. It's tick-tack. Come on, I'm imagining that lava monkey's chasing me. Come on, you need to cook. Arthur, you need to cook. Time to cook. and sub before I get to that pad. Okay, let me get 3, 2, 1. Like and sub as fast as you can. Stop. No. I can't lose the challenge. No, I can't lose it. Yeah, got on. So, if you didn't like and sub before I got onto here, you're out. I'm not talking you're out of it. You're out of the video. I'm not saying you're out of the game. You don't play this game with me when I say like that. Okay, now let's go like this one. Whoa. I don't want to get out of the floor. Okay, let's do some floor jukes. Let's do some tree and floor jukes.
Ela botou o GPS dentro da xoxota, ela botou o GPS. Vai.
Come on, funk. I need fungs. They give me energy to cook. So guys, let me show you. This game gives you to practice with long arms. It's called monkey taggers. Okay, so now let's... Is there a funk?
Chegando no destino é sequência de tiro e bota. Chegando no destino é sequência de tiro e bota. E a novinha meu pau tá calculando. Ela botou o GPS dentro da xoxota, ela botou o GPS dentro da xoxota.
If they were big, then I would literally start making jukes better than this.
Senta com a bunda. Vocês pediram, né? E a partir de agora vai começar o baile de verdade. Espera aí que eu tô chegando. Ela botou o GPS dentro da xoxota. Chegando no destino é sequência de tiro e bota. Chegando no destino é sequência de tiro e bota.
Oh, my door.
Meu pau tá calculando. Ela botou o GPS dentro da xoxota. Ela botou o GPS dentro da xoxota.
So if you want to have long arms and practice if you have long arms, or practice before you have long arms, just literally install this game. The pinch will be taller, so with long arms, it will be taller with a little tag. Actually, because the ranges in the game are so small, so we better practice on love ball. Actually, you're big. If you're big as God, you're like, you got wings. Really good jukes like I just started playing this game. Yeah, so see, you really juke really good even if you start. Like, I already know how to wall run in wall time and like run, so I'm just using it with these long arms and it's really much more easier. I could literally do it not only 2 times, but I could literally really wall if you go I always just do like this. Yeah. But in this game I could just do like this. Like stop. See, I could even do like this. Imagine that your main tank follow me too. And now, I already teach people how to play. In real world time. Let's get my quick long arms. My quick long arms. I'm good. On them wasting a lot of energy to just get nothing like all the times. But finally, if you already like the comments in my Discord, like I made a video about my Discord, go to the video with my hands. Like where's the title? I did it too fast. Go to that video and then type. There's my username inside there. So like that, you could find me, and I would send you a request to go into my Discord, and I'll pick your role. Some of you will be just normal guys to type. No, time to go on top of the I have long arms, so the branches are so small. I'll just choose that this. But it's really easy to choose. Come on, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. I think if this would be a line game, you could literally get a mod menu. And here you can literally show a stage. Actually, I don't know how to, but I saw everybody playing this game in the public podcast. I think you gotta subscribe on YouTube. Okay, I gotta sub to that guy and YouTube in a couple of times. So join Christopher Mom. Are you kidding me? Really? Wait. Wait, don't go. No! Okay, actually, I'll think I'm like in PPC. So I'll pretend like in PPC. Yeah, because I want to get banned with this thing. See if it really gets banned with this thing. Sub and like some of my videos. I almost 1,000 likes. And guys, for the end of the summer, I need to get 200 subs. And by the end of 2 years, I'm going to be 2027. I'm going to be old and naked. 2027. If I get 100,000 K, I'll try to give someone bundles or something. It will be 3 people who get bundles. Actually, 3 people. I'll give them bundles. It could be the roll tag, it could be scary baboon, it could be literally big scary. It could be any game that has bundles. First, but if you can join a code in that game or can be friends, I can't. So you need to have a game to join a code or to have a friend. Turn it off. Okay, so right now, hey guys, so I'll give a bundle in games. So if you want to get a bundle in some of the games, actually, better try to do it in Scary Baboons. So first, if you want to get a bundle, then join my Discord. In my Discord video, there's no comments. So move on, and the hands video that I did, where it's the title, I did it too fast. It's not Springtrap, the last video. It's I did it too fast. So there's my username. Send me a request in your Discord. So if you want a bundle in my Discord, type bundle. LS capital letters. So let me go to the mirror and we're going to say goodbye. I'm going to like and sub. See, my mouth is not moving because it's a fan game.
Uma noite convocou, talvez senta
Like and
o popô. Uma noite convocou, talvez.
Shut up. Okay, so like and sub. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. 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 The monkey will say bye. Your IPF. Okay. Bye.